This is another view from the 6th floor of Soroka Hospital, which is where the first and second years have all of their academic classes. And you can see how close the desert is to Soroka. It's really about a quarter mile away, off to the east. That building right in the center. Right behind that is Caroline House, which is where the administrative offices of the Medical School for International Health are. And all of these other buildings are part of Soroka Medical Center. This hospital takes in 200,000 patients a year and is the largest and only hospital center in the Negev.